I have some dynamic videos. You're going to cry. We went there. We touched the building. We prayed. We touched the building. I said, God, pray for Brooklyn. She's going to make it. Now, I need to take Brooklyn here because this area, and you've seen it before, this area teaches you to stop. But you probably say the stop sign is covered up, I leave. So what? That's an excuse. I stop. And then I'm showing you what I'm doing. I'm looking. She does not have extra mirrors, but I need to get her one of those big, larger mirrors so she can look, because she is maybe 5'1", 5'2". I'm like 6'4", almost 6'5". So maybe she needs to have that mirror so she can see. You're right. That's a good one. Okay, I'm looking left, looking right. I'm going to turn the wheel. I don't see her doing that enough. The girl's going to get hit by a car, and we don't want that. Or she accelerates out very slow. She's not a teen. She's 21. She's going back to college in August. Okay, so we got to start driving 2 times a week. We did Monday and this Friday. So I'm looking. This is what she does. She'll kind of look like this. Like I'm looking at the A-pillar. The A-pillar is obstructing my view. I'm showing you this. And then I turn out. Okay, it's kind of like you got a cramp in your neck, and it's hard. I'm driving like Brooklyn right now. Our car's on me. And that's how Brooklyn drives. She's just driving. I'm at 10. I'm really too slow. Our car's on me right now. You see them, okay? And I want you to see these people. Yield for these people. Go slow. I'm making eye time. I'm showing you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm probably pissing these people off, but I don't care. Okay, I'm really confusing all these drivers, but see, she waved at me. I got a wave. Okay, I'm supposed to yield. I don't care about this car behind me. They're getting pissed off. I don't care. I'm yielding. Brooklyn needs to learn this. So she needs to come here, go here like 4 or 5 times and be consistent. Okay, because I am treating Brooklyn consistent. I'm not giving her favoritism. She doesn't go to this road test and let's say you pass. If she's dangerous, she gonna fail. I told her parents this. If she runs a light, hits a curb, dangerous maneuver, she fails. And Brooklyn is paying out of pocket for this. Okay? I'm gonna show you what Brooklyn does. Now, we have to look left and right. I'm looking before I get here. There's a vehicle coming. I want you to see this. I'm not making it up. Okay? Now, I don't have my blinker on. This truck, you might not be able to see it. You can't. Now I'm making a right turn. Brooklyn has a spinner knob. So if I'm spinning, I'm using one hand. See, this is my left hand. This is my right hand. You'll see the car going right and going left. I'm spinning. I'm using the palm of my hand, trying to simulate a spinner. And her spinner's at about the 11 o'clock position. I'm turning with my left hand balled up. And it's hard to control. You see the car going left to right. I'm going to flip angles. You see the car going right, going left. Sometimes this is how she drives. And what I need to do is come here with her car, have her watching, so I can see how her approach to learning. Okay, now, sorry guys, I keep hitting the wrong button. I'm looking left and right. This is what we would do. Brooklyn would do this. Really slow. Really slow. I don't know how much she can move her neck. Turning on my blinker. Okay, guys, you got to see this. I'm not making this up. I want you to see these birds coming by. I'm not making this up. I want you to see Mother Nature. Come on, birds. I'm gonna back up a little bit. It's like a bunch of them. I want you to see this. It's like a whole. You see those birds? 1, 2. This is the mother. 1, 2, 2, 4, 6. It's about 8 of them, 10 of them. Guys, I can't make this up. Isn't this crazy? Look how beautiful nature is out here. Okay, I know you're saying, you tripping, bro. I love life. Okay? Isn't that beautiful? I want you to see this. But Brooklyn, like, sometimes people here don't use blinkers. Poor lane line reference. I'm gonna move up, down, I'm going to stop. We're gonna go, I'm gonna have a complete stop. Then I'm gonna proceed. Brooklyn she's not as consistent as we are. It takes her a longer time to process. So from talking to you, and I'm talking to you, we need to take her to this area to get her to process. And I'm looking to the left, and I'm being very slow and deliberate, lining up like Brooklyn.